Why are some types of flowers more colorful than others? Why do elephants have tusks? Where do babies come from? How do whales live in the sea without gills? Biology has helped to answer many interesting questions. In groups of 4 or 5, think of questions that the study of biology has helped to answer. At the end of this lesson, a student will be able to state what the study of biology is, explain the importance of biology, list the different fields of study in biology, list the careers related to biology, state the various ways of studying biology. Look at the animation, the scientific study of life. To understand what is the study of biology, let us take a tour of the different levels of the organization of life. The molecular level of life includes molecules responsible for life, such as the DNA, short for deoxyribonucleic acid molecules. These molecules provide the blueprint for constructing the organism. The DNA molecules are the main components of chromosomes, which are found in the nucleus of a cell. After the cell level, the next level of the organization of life is a collection of cells that are used to perform a specific function or role. Muscle and nerve tissues are good examples. Next is the organ level, which is then followed by the system level. Humans are examples of living organisms. Inside each human, systems that are responsible for the life processes. Beyond the organism level, biology also includes the study of living things, such as plant and animals, and their interaction with each other and the environment. The study of biology includes populations of plants and animals in a community and how communities form an ecosystem. Biology encompasses the study of molecules of life like the DNA, cells, tissues, organs, systems, organisms, populations, communities, ecosystem, and of course the biosphere, the planet Earth. Have you ever learned about these before? You will learn this in your biology lesson. Biology is the scientific study of living things, as well as how they interact with each other and their surroundings. Biology comes from 2 old Greek words, bios and logos, which literally means the study of life. Now, let us look at some important everyday events and see if you can identify the ones that are related to biology. Click on the yes and no button to indicate your answer. Mahdi has developed a new hybrid of paddy plant, MRQ21. SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome, is spread through contacts with infected birds. Carbon dioxide emission is the cause of global warming. Genetically modified crops increase yields. Deforestation may cause air and water pollution. Malaysia is one of the 12 mega-diversity countries on Earth. The tiger in Malaysia is an endangered species. Biology helps us in improving the use of food production, finding out the causes of diseases, and developing new methods and drugs to combat diseases, understanding global warming, preventing air and water pollution, and understanding the importance of diversity. Look at the diagram. It shows us that biology can be divided into the study of animals, microorganisms, cells, tissues, ecosystems, and plants. Each of these different fields of study in biology is given a name. Drag and drop the names into the box that matches the description. Discuss with your friends and add more fields of study in biology and the descriptions in your notebook. Present your answers to the class. Medical, agriculture, education, industry, and environments are some of the examples of biology-related fields. Click on each photograph to find out more of the examples of people working in the related fields. Doctors, nurses, and pharmacists are clear examples in this field. Students who want to be trained in these careers need a good knowledge of biology. Modern farmers, agricultural scientists, and geneticists are careers that need a sound knowledge of biology. In schools and other institutions of learning, biology teachers and lecturers facilitate the learning of biology. Researchers in universities help to enhance the knowledge of biology. Food technologists are important in the food processing sector, and biotechnologists using biology together with technology are especially important in the development of biotechnology sector. Some examples of careers in the environment are ecologists and climatologists. They can assess the relationship between events and their impact on the environment. Because of the vast body of knowledge in biology, and that biology is very important and relevant in our lives. How do we study biology? Click on the graphics to find out. Through the experiments, you can see how certain processes take place. Experiments encourage students to find out things by themselves and to see whether the ideas are correct. Biology can be learned by sharing information and learning together. It is another effective way of studying. By sharing and discussing with our friends, we can consolidate what we have learned effectively. Biology can be learned by carrying out group projects. Problem-based project trains us to be analytical, systematic, and organized. It also instills in us values of time management, teamwork, and independence. Technology is a powerful tool that has great potential in enhancing the learning of biology. Computer simulation and animation are effective tools and can be presented through courseware or web page. Learning of biology can be enhanced through the use of external resources such as the zoos, museums, and factories. These field trips make learning of biology more interesting, meaningful, and effective. This method should be adopted in all the different ways of studying biology. One can study biology more effectively by carrying out experiments, having group discussions, and handling projects with classmates. Using technology and making field trips make studying biology more interesting and meaningful. It is important that the scientific approach is adopted for the study of biology. Look at the diagram shown on the screen. It shows the list of learning outcomes for this lesson. Click on each of the learning outcomes for a brief summary of them. Biology, the scientific study of living things, and how they interact with each other and the surroundings. The important roles of biology include finding out the causes of diseases and developing new methods and drugs to combat diseases, understanding global warming, improving the yields of food production, preventing air and water pollution, and understanding the importance of diversity. Biology will help us to understand and evaluate issues of life more critically and objectively. The growing scientific knowledge of biology can best be studied by dividing biology into different fields of study. Examples of the fields of study in biology are zoology, the study of animals; microbiology, the study of microorganisms; cytology, the study of cells; histology, the study of tissues; ecology, the study of ecosystems; botany, the study of plants. Careers in biology. There are many careers related to biology. Examples of careers in biology-related fields are medical, doctor, nurse, pharmacist; agriculture, farmer, agricultural scientist, geneticist; education, biology teacher, researcher; industry, food technologist, biotechnologist; environment, ecologist, climatologist. The various ways of studying biology effectively are by doing experiments, through group discussions and project work. The other interesting and meaningful way would be using technology and having field trips. It is important that the scientific approach is adopted for the study of biology. Experiments. Experiments encourage students to find out things by themselves and to see if their ideas are correct. Group discussion. By sharing and discussing with friends, we can consolidate what we have learned effectively. Project work trains us to be analytical, systematic, and organized. Use of technology. Technology is a powerful tool that can enhance the learning of science. Field trips. External resources also make learning of science more interesting and meaningful. A special approach is used in investigating natural phenomena and proving hypotheses in science. The scientific approach or method should be used in the study of biology.